Hey there, travel lovers! Do you have a passion for exploring hidden gems? If so, you're in for a treat today. Let's dive into the French Riviera and uncover some of its best-kept secrets. First up, we have Ise, a charming medieval village perched high on a hilltop. Imagine walking through narrow cobblestone streets, surrounded by ancient stone houses, and being greeted by the fragrant scent of jasmine in the air. Don't miss the Jardin Exotique, where you'll find stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. Trust me, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. Next, let's sail over to the Larens Islands, just off the coast of Cannes. These islands are a paradise for nature lovers. Explore the tranquil forests of Sainte Marguerite Island, or visit the historic Fort Royal, where the mysterious man in the Iron Mask was imprisoned. It's a perfect spot for a day of adventure and relaxation. Now, if you're into glitz and glamour, Saint-Tropez is a must-visit. But beyond the celebrity yachts and luxury boutiques, there's a quieter side to this famous town. Head to the Old Port and wander through the picturesque streets of La Panche, the historic fishing quarter. Grab a coffee at a quaint cafe and watch the world go by. It's a slice of the good life. For those who love the great outdoors, the Gorges du Verdon is an absolute gem. Often dubbed the Grand Canyon of Europe, this breathtaking river canyon offers a plethora of activities. Kayaking, hiking, or simply taking in the awe-inspiring views, it's a nature lover's paradise. And finally, let's not forget about the food. The French Riviera is a culinary heaven. From fresh seafood in Nice's bustling markets to gourmet dining in Michelin-starred restaurants, your taste buds are in for a delightful journey. Make sure to try a traditional Niçoise salad or some soca, a local chickpea pancake, delicious. So there you have it, 5 hidden gems of the French Riviera waiting for you to discover. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply looking to relax and enjoy the beauty of the Mediterranean, the French Riviera has something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this virtual trip. If you're planning your next vacation, consider the stunning French Riviera. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems around the world. Happy travels!